Welcome to Kissan Time Table. I'm Shagun. So today I'm going to show you how to make jam parathas. So let me show you how to make these yummy jam parathas. I will be adding some atta. So that's whole wheat flour, about 2 cups. So I've got chopped mixed nuts. And I also have flax seeds, which I've powdered in a blender. A pinch of salt. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and enough water to knead this. I'm going to mix this with a spoon to begin with. And I also need to add the special ingredient, which is the Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam. So this will add to the fruity aroma in this yummy paratha. In goes about 1.5 spoon of jam. So my dough is sweet and pink and yummy and healthy and ready to be rolled into little parathas. So I break a little bit. So my mom does this beautifully. Whenever she's rolling chapatis, it's like, the dough moves on its own. It's actually magic. I don't know how she does that. I'm going to switch on the flame. The first thing I need to do is put them on the pan. Once you've flipped it on the other side is when you add a little bit of oil. So on the top, add some oil and flip it. There you go. I'm going to take it out in the plate. So now my tiffin box is ready to be plated. So in my tiffin box, it's also very important to put other nutritious and fresh things. So I've got scooped out watermelon. It's beautiful round. I mean, the shape itself will excite the children, Some cashews. And it's time for me to put the parathas. Do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Please share, please like,